Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and there's some music that was just playing. That's the free music from the YouTube library, so that's kind of convenient. And I've got a brand new radio from PRUNUS. It just came on Amazon. It's the model J-156. It's AM, FM, shortwave, MP3 player, and Bluetooth. The only thing it doesn't have is a flashlight. It's $20. It has two ways of powering it. One is a built-in 1200 milliamp hour battery, or you can use two C-cell batteries. We're going to try it out here and see how it works. There's a couple of things, only a few, and they're minor little nits. I wish this was white or yellow. Gray on black doesn't really stand out that well if you're in a dimly lit room. Now, I got plenty of lights on here, so that's not a problem. The other little minor thing is this is the tuning knob. This is on-off volume. This is kind of recessed. There's a little, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little bump right here, which kind of, to me, from my fingers, kind of hides the tuning knob. So it's a little, not bad, but a little difficult to tune. Just a matter of getting used to it. Kind of have to put your finger on an angle instead of flush, because it's going to hit that little bump. And no big deal. Has a carrying handle. Telescopic antenna, which is, I put it in my notes, it's 14 inches, which would be way too short for shortwave. So you're going to have to use a clip-on antenna. It does swivel in all directions, so that's nice. I'll show you the back of the radio here real quick. There's where the batteries go in here. On the top here, we have, there's a USB port, and the blue light indicates it's playing an MP3 file. There's where the TF card goes. There's the controls, forward, reverse, meaning next track, previous track, stop, play. Earphone jack. This is the charging port. There's a little light there that comes on with charging, and this is the mode/band select. MP3, FM, AM, shortwave. Nice little radio. I got it written down here, the dimensions, and they are 6.7 inches across, 5.3 inches high, and 2 inches deep. So it takes two hands. You can hold it with one hand, but it's a two-hander, not a single-hander. Put that down. It's got, as you've heard, and I've taken into account my camera, the audio was sensational. The audio was really good. It will accept a TF or a USB card up to 64 gigabytes. Will support MP3, WAV, APE, and FLAC format. So you can use it, and you don't have to have Wi-Fi. Just put your files on your TF card, and there you go. The bands, FM is 88 to 108, AM is 530 to 1710, and the shortwave band is short. It's 5.6 to 22. Probably won't be able to get anything on shortwave for a couple of reasons. One, as I said before, antenna is way too short. Two, the time of day, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. very overcast. So I might get something. We'll try it. Okay, so we want to go to shortwave, and we want to turn the volume up. And we're kind of in the middle of the band here. Let's go down to the bottom, 5.6. Okay, now let's see if I can tune it. Doesn't seem to mute. Trying to get something there. Yeah, just noise. No, I didn't think I'd get anything. That antenna just too short for short wave. Let's go to turn the volume down a little bit. And we'll go to AM. Oops, went right past it. Whoa. Okay. We'll go down to band. Oh, yeah.
Often shoot an arrow, but before shooting the arrow,
good volume and audio.
That arrow in pitch. And then,
oh, yeah. Picking up a lot of stations.
Him that you got like some kind of infusion.
Locks right in.
Well, my wife told him everything and showed him.
You'd have every right to be skeptical. You were asking.
And I don't have it. Let me turn this down a bit. I don't have it in the ideal position for medium wave or AM because the stations are that way. So I typically want to point the radio like that for AM. And I had it like this, and it was still picking up a lot of stations. Let me see if I can find a weak station and see if I can pull it in.
Well, something like that. Very, very smart.
That's doing great. Whoa, get away from music.
For tax help you need.
Yeah, I don't need to rotate it. Okay, we'll turn the volume down here. We'll do FM extremely quickly because it's going to be a lot of music. Kind of muting with tuning there.
Can I get a drum roll? Years old now, but they have some of the best wings in the city. We heard about it from some people.
Yeah, you have to go pretty slow to get it to lock in. Got to get that muting.
Freaks out and doesn't want to do it. Is there a tutu involved?
Time to catch up. Otherwise, you'll skip right over
the songs you can't get enough of.
Okay, that's enough of that. I think I mentioned the controls up here in the earphone jack. Nice little rate, $20. I mean, come on. Nice manual. I love that PRUNUS has made their manuals with larger print. I don't have to use a magnifying. I mean, some of these radios, the print is so small. I had one radio, I can't remember which one it was. The printing on the manual was so small, even with a magnifying glass, I couldn't read it. Okay, that's about it. I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me this radio. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.